Thank you for staying with us right here on Channel 15 ATV. On Thursday morning, the senior students from the local high school Colegio Arubano took the first of their 6 to 8 final exams. Throughout the next couple of weeks, these youngsters will be working day and night to strive for that high school diploma. Public high schools on the island follow the Dutch educational system and therefore take the same final exams, which count for 50% of their final grade. And if that wasn't pressure enough, last year the school introduced new regulations to match to Dutch standards.
For HAVO 5, a lot of has changed. They have to score for their average grades for the final exam need to be 5.5, and also for the 3 subjects, Dutch, English and mathematics, they can only have 1.5. So that is what have been changed.
In 2015, this high school experienced a significant drop in their percentage of graduates. However, Colegio Arubano believes there are many factors that led to the low results.
Well, last year it really dropped a lot, but every 5 to 10 years there is a year that is really really bad. I have to say, if you see all the figures of the last 20 years, it was like that, and a lot of people thought that had something to be done with the rules that were changing about the 5.5 average. But we investigated that it was not the case. It was only 4% less that would more that would have had their diploma. So that was not the only reason. There were more reasons, and for example, there were new exams for certain topics like economics. The Dutch exams last year were new in a new form, and there are very much other reasons also.
In the light of 2015's results, the institution introduced a new method of exam preparation.
These final exams were very well prepared. This year we came with another program. We came with an exam training that lasted a whole month, the month of April, and that was different compared to the other years, in which we only had 1 week of preparation for the exam. This year it was a full month, so they were better prepared. We think they all presented themselves every day. It was really great to see them every day, and they were working really hard.
And with high hopes for this year's students, Miss Cameron assures her seniors that being calm is key.
You need to be calm. We always say, if you prepare yourself and you have done enough, you cannot do more than what you did, and you have to stay calm, go to bed early, eat and drink well, and your last preparations is just have self-confidence, and you can do this, because if you came to that final class in HAVO 5 or VWO's, you can do this. We are sure of that.
As a former student of Colegio Arubano myself, I would like to wish the best of luck to the students in these stressful and rigorous days ahead.